Hello everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. There are multiple reports from the users regarding an issue that they are experiencing when upgrading from Windows 11 Home Edition to Windows 11 Pro Edition. What actually happening is that after purchasing the upgrade key from Microsoft Store, the update process fails with error message that reads something happened and we couldn't start the upgrade. And if you landed on this video, then it's possible that you are also facing the same issue, right? In this video, I'm going to cover a quick workaround using which you can easily resolve this issue. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Alright, what you need to do is, first of all, disconnect your PC from internet connection and disable any third-party antivirus. After that, click on the search icon and type change product key. When this setting appears in the search results, click to open it. On this setting page, click on the change button and this dialog box will appear. Here you need to type or copy paste the generic key of Windows 11 Pro Edition and then click next. For more information on generic keys, check the description. On this screen, click start to initiate the upgrade process. During this process, system will restart automatically. Once done, it's possible that your Windows 11 Pro license will be linked to your Microsoft account. And also you can connect your device with internet. In case this method fails to fix the issue, then try performing SFC scan and reset Windows Update component. I have added the link in the description for the process, and once done, perform the same workaround again. This time you should be able to complete the upgrade process. So that's all about this video. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you or not. Also, if you are aware of any other solution to resolve this issue, then feel free to share in the comments as this will help other affected users. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.